BU New Channeling Topics, Arcturian Vision Board, curated fresh themes aligned with Arcturian philosophy, Buddhist wisdom, Christ consciousness, universal unity, NLP frames, biodecoding insights, and numerology codes. Each item includes a short focus and modular angles to weave. Reply: Dame uno plus numero. To receive a complete 1215K channeled piece. Darba. 1. Quantum discernment. Choosing timelines with compassionate power. Focus. Train the inner navigator to select high coherence paths through micro choices. Angles to weave. Numerology 1 to 711, NLP future pacing, biodecoding and decision loop, Arcturian compass ritual, unity ethics. There it does. 2. Arcturian money alchemy. Sacred prosperity codes. 11, 22, 33. Focus. Prosperity is harmony, not hustle, unlocking triadic master numbers. Angles to weave. 3 pillars of worthiness, PNL self-value anchors, family money scripts, biodecoding, 7-minute tithe ritual. 3. Healing the mother-father lineage. Biodecoding the heart, DNA. Focus. Transmute inherited fear, shame, scarcity into compassionate sovereignty. Angles to weave. Numerology of birth triad, somatic breath maps, reparenting protocol, altar of gratitude. Darkisio. 4. Vow, release, and soul contracts. Sovereignty through sound. Focus. Dissolve outdated vows with voice, breath, and blue flame intention. Angles to weave. NLP language unbinding, biodecoding loyalty patterns, decree script toning vowels. Dawasa 5. Blue flame coherence. Will, compassion, truth in resonance. Focus. Stabilize willpower with tenderness and inner honesty to unlock the blue flame. Angles to weave. 3 key alignment practice, breath hold cadence, honesty invocation, 9-minute pillar meditation. 6. Sacred tech hygiene. Digital boundaries for empaths and creators. Focus. Protect attention, regulate dopamine, and create sacred online spaces. Angles to weave. PNL trigger reframe, notification fasting, auric firewall visualization, prosperity via focus. Daras. 7. Dragon lines and portals. Geomancy for everyday life. Focus. Feel and anchor earth currents at home, work, and community. Angles to weave. Compass ritual, room numerology, water bowls, quartz grids, ethics of place. 8. Crystal grid numerology. Home temples and abundance anchors. Focus. Pair crystals with numerological signatures to shape field coherence. Angles to weave. 8. Abundance altar. 3 joy trinity, cleaning rites, gratitude ledger. Doeti 9. Breath maps. 7-minute rituals to rewire emotional timelines. Focus. Use simple breath ratios to neutralize triggers and expand range. Angles to weave. PNL state anchors, vagal toning, tapping microsequence, journaling frames, Dagius. 10. Voice of the future self. NLP anchors and mirror work. Focus. Speak from the version already embodied, stabilizing identity shifts. Angles to weave. Mirror declarations, 3-act story arc, song mantra, camera practice ritual. 11. Karma to Dharma, the art of compassionate boundaries. Focus. Transmute obligation into joyful service without depletion. Angles to weave. Boundary scripts, guilt biodecoding, 4-gate discernment, generosity calendar. 12. Starseed leadership. Community prosperity without burnout. Focus. Lead from coherence. Share from overflow. Sustain creative cycles. Angles to weave. Work-rest seasons. Team numerology. Value ladders. Sacred sales ethics. Pereter 13. 999. Dreamcraft 999. Rebooting dream recall and synchronicity. Focus. Reopen the dream channel and integrate guidance into action steps. Angles to weave. Mugwort water prayer, dream ink ritual, number code logbook, portal timing. Dieras 14. The medicine of laughter. Dopamine serotonin light codes. Focus. Humor as neurochemical alchemy and spiritual hygiene. Angles to weave. Joy triggers list, clowning microacts, group giggle ceremony, shame detox. Yes. 15. Timeline gardening. Plant, prune, and harvest your reality. Focus. Treat intentions as living gardens with seasonal tending. Angles to weave. Seed words, pruning beliefs, harvest gratitude, compost ritual. 16. Water wisdom. Charging, programming, and prayer. Focus. Interface with water as a living ally and mirror of consciousness. Angles to weave. Sound charging bowls, crystal carafes, coherence words, daily libation. Kanto. 17. Shadow to diamond. Self-forgiveness, transmutation. Focus. Turn shame and regret into refined presence and clarity. Angles to weave. 4-step forgiveness rite, story reauthoring, breath hold melts, Ho'oponopono. Dungas 18. Ethical star sales. Serving and receiving in balance. Focus. Prosperity through integrity, resonance, and consent. Angles to weave. Offer ladders, money beliefs, biodecoding, value articulation, refund grace. Bugas 19. Sonic temples. Vocal toning and voice cloning ethics. Focus. Sacred voice technology, artistry, and responsibility. Angles to weave. Mantra scales, consent protocols, imprint hygiene, audience attunement. Layun 20. The sacred no. Prosperity through clear refusals. Focus. Saying no as a protection of destiny and gateway to aligned yes. Angles to weave. Boundary scripts, nervous system resets, calendar pruning, value clarity. 21. Trauma to talent. Biodecoding, gifts, hidden in wounds. Focus. Convert survival strategies into leadership virtues. Angles to weave. Parts integration, safety rituals, peer witnessing, service projects. EOS 22. Rituals of 7 minutes. Daily coherence builders. Focus. Short, potent rites that stack into macro transformation. Angles to weave. Breath, mudra, mantra, micro journals, altar tending. Anchor. 23. The clean arrow. Clear intention, soft heart, wide field. Focus. Focus without tension and devotion without attachment. Angles to weave. Archer meditation, body softening, field awareness, gratitude aim. 24. Auric architecture. Designing your light body home. Focus. Map, seal, and beautify your electromagnetic home. Angles to weave. 12-petal lotus mapping, color numerology, room seals, morning sweep. Usage note. All full channelings are delivered in English, infused with Arcturian philosophy, Buddhist insights, Christ consciousness, universal unity, NLP tools, biodecoding frames, numerology keys, everyday stories, and simple rituals. Emojis included generously by default, no questions used inside the texts. Action. Reply. Dame uno plus numero. To receive your next 1215K piece instantly in this style,